Hello friends, it's me Muhammad Daniel from Elixir Fragrances back with another video. So guys, in the last video I promised that I will make a video regarding the different materials used for the distillation, and as you can see in the video, in the table there are different kinds of wood. So starting from the left side, D grade, C grade, it is B grade, it is AB, it is A, and this one is the sinking one, and these are the shavings. So why I am making this video? So the reason is that as being a buyer, you should definitely know that the oil which you are using is how does it made and from which material it is made from, so that you can get an idea. Okay, and sometimes the prices are very high. Like for example, if the material is made from like this C grade, sometimes you will see if the like C grade, the price they ask you for the like A grade. So this is why you definitely know, and before buying you can ask your distiller or a vendor about the material which is used for the distillation, because it is your right, you are paying, so it is your right to ask each and every question that what type of material is used, what kind of distillation, and how many days does the distillation runs, so that you can get an idea. So starting from this is D grade. You can see no resin at all. Okay, a very few lines or starting of the resin, basically it is. This one is the C grade. Okay, this one is the B grade. You can see the color of the resin, it's light brown. This one is the most cheapest material. Then this one is somehow expensive than the D grade. This one is the B grade, which is expensive than the D and the C grade. This one is the A and B. It is a mixture basically from like it is like resinous from somewhere and it is white from somewhere, so it is a B grade, but the resin color is totally brown, so it is A and B. This one is the A grade, and I think you remember that this is the material which we have used for our Oud Revive 25 project, Borneo Sabah, and this is the basically wood which we have excluded from the material due to the you know the excessive weight, because we just distilled the 1 kg and this one is like 30 grams extra. With that we have also excluded one more piece, so we have excluded 100 grams, so we are just distilling the 1 kg. So this one is the sinking grade. I have already posted a story about it. This one is from the Brunei. So this one is a sinking grade, the most expensive material for the distillation, although this material is very rare, like very few people distill because of its quantity, because the quantity is not very like available in the market. You will find only like 100 grams, 200, 300 grams of it, so it's very hard to find these pieces, especially from the same region or from the same species. So this one is the sinking, and why it sinks? Because of its density of the resin, because of the age of the resin. The more it ages, the more it density, so that is why it sinks. And then we have these are the shavings. Shavings are basically when the wood is being cleaned or carved, so the shavings are collected, and these are also used for the distillation. Okay, and just let me know, just I will let you know one thing, that if the shavings are from sinking grade chips, believe me that these shavings are better than D grade, C grade, B grade and AB grade, believe me. Okay, so if your distiller, if you are for example looking for making a batch, and if your distiller asks you, and if your distiller told you that he have he has the shavings of the sinking grade chips, go for it. Never go for D grade chips, C grade chips, B grade chips or AB grade chips. If this one, go for it, it will give you a very good aroma. These shavings are basically the mix, because due to the carving we get these shavings, so they just collect it for incense or for distillation, whatever the project. So this video is just to inform you that these are the materials which are used for the distillation. So please, 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 before buying the oil, ask your vendor, ask your distiller, ask from wherever you're buying the oil about the material, about each and everything, because guys, you are paying the dollars and each penny is definitely very hard to get. You know, it in our time it's really hard to earn a single penny. So better to ask your distiller and vendor about each of the things, so that you can get an idea. So this is for the today's video. Hope you like it, and if you like this video, just share it with your friends, and inshallah we'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.